Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2009 Honda Civic. We're going to be replacing the fuel pump. So I'm going to show you what you have to do. So first thing first, let's open the trunk. The fuel pump is located on this section right here. Hold on, give me 1 second. There's two little clips that you have to pull from this side. One, two, there. And then this side will come out. All right, so fuel pump is located underneath that this cover right here. So in order to replace it or to remove it, we're going to have to remove these two bolts right here, this one and this one, and we also have to remove the seat. I know it's weird. Not a common thing on cars to do, but you have to. Let me open it. So you have to remove this seat right here, which is this one right here. In order to remove it, there's a screw, a bolt that's holding it in place. Let me put a light. It's located right here. It's a 10mm bolt right there. Once you remove this bolt right there, you can already remove this part. So I'll do that right now. Yeah, so just put it right there. All right, right here. Just put it somewhere safe. I'm just gonna leave it here on the floor. And this part should come out. Yeah, just pull from the side hard. Like pull up and then pull right here too. There. Okay, take this out. Now we have to remove the back seat right here. In order to open this, you come back here and you pull this one, and you do the same one from the other side. You pull this side. You can open it. Open the other one as well. Now we're going to use a 12mm to remove this one right here, this bolt, and also there's a bolt on this side right here. And we do the same one for the other side. There's also two on this side where you have to remove as well. All right, now there's one more that you have to remove. If you push this seat a little bit forward, you gotta remove these bolts as well. Right here. All right, now that that bolt is out, we can already remove this. You can just put it here on the side. And now we get right here. So we're going to have to remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4. Using the same 12mm socket right here. And you can just lift this up. All right, now using just a regular Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can remove this part right here. Sometimes it's gonna get stuck, so you have to use a flathead screwdriver just to like pry open the sides. Watch out, there's a cable here, so just slowly pull it out. There's electrical stuff right here. So let me show you right here. We are going to remove that plug. Really simple. Just push and pull. Oops. There. Just push and pull when it comes out. Alright, at this point you can already remove the hoses. Be careful, there's going to be some gasoline coming out. So this is the best part to stop smoking if you are smoking. So yeah, just be very careful on this part. So like I said, just push this, I don't know if you can see on the video, right? These two sides right here, and just pull out. You see, there was a small amount of gasoline coming out. So just push this on the side. Same thing goes for this side. Just push the little green connectors. There's one here and one here, the little green clips, and just pull out. There. So we got those two out, and now it's time to open this side right here. If you have a towel now, it's a good time to use it. It's to clean all the debris. Be careful so no dirt goes inside the hose. All right, now to open this part right here, you're going to use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and just put this right here and just hit it. You can see it turning. Okay, now you can just turn it with your hand. All right. Can remove this side. This is the little gasket. Okay, once you remove this, you can already wiggle this part out and just pull out. It's gonna come out. Yeah, just be careful. And there it goes. And that's it, guys. That was really easy. If you follow the steps the right way. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the fuel pump, just in case you need to buy it. And just put everything back the way it was. If you have to replace a seal, gasket, whatever, you can replace it. This is the fuel pump. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up. Like this video. I think this is the second or third video I've seen on YouTube about doing this work. But all right, like I said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and as always, peace.